Good day, everyone. This is actually my first video for this year. Um, so a happy new year to all of you. And like it's very anticipated. The first video is here to ought to be very powerful. That's why I actually wasted time on this. And also I've been actually busy. Truth be told, I've been very busy. But I had to make time. Okay, so the strategy I actually funded an account. It's $800. That was about 2 or 3 weeks ago. I traded it and the account got to about 3,600. Then the next day it got to 3,800. Then I encountered the loss and went back to 3,500. So I had to spend more time with the strategy. So I brought it to a halt when it got to $4,000. I talked to one of my what do you call it? I talked to one of my what do you call it? I talked to one of my subscribers. I told him about it. I think his name is Kashif. Okay, Kashif from South Africa. Okay, so let's go straight to the video. Okay, why I always post these videos? You can't be watching you can't be watching my videos and still be a deposit trader. It's not done. um the rib is making hell of a lot of money, hell of money, a, a, a whole lot of money from deposit traders, from traders actually turning you to a deposit traders. My work here is to enable you make consistent withdrawals. Okay, that's my work here. I post of strategies that I've been able to phantom understand and trade with, put them together, and I bring it out. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please do that right now. Okay, and I'm not gonna give you setup right away because most of you guys just set it up and you won't even bother to even listen, watch how to make it happen. Okay, so I'll give it at the end of the video. I don't spend much time on this video, so let me try to make it fast. Okay, first of all, this strategy, it works for both spikes and normal um, breaks, both for both spikes and breaks. Okay, but the spike trading, I will advise you to trade spike only, and I repeat, only if number one, the conditions are you must be a trader with an experience of nothing less than 6 months and having in mind price action analysis. Okay, and the account you are trading it on must have nothing less than $100 on it. Okay, nothing less than $100, and you must be a trader with price action analysis in mind, price action knowledge rather. Okay, so like I always tell you, if you are still watching this video and you have no knowledge of um trading and you just want to make money, listen, strategies might work for you for maybe a week, but it might work for you for a few days without um mentorship, let me say it like that. Because if you are not mentored, there are a lot of things that you miss out on, despite the fact that yes, you adhere to the strategy. Yes, my fact is that if you use my strategies and your account gets blown up, you properly you screenshot and you show me that you followed all my rules and your account get blown up, please come to my um inbox. I'll drop my contact line on the description box. You write to me and I will fund back whatever is in your account, be it 1,000. Provided if it's anything exceeding $10,000, I will pay $10,000 at first, then I will bring back maybe 2005 and all. Listen to me, if you follow my rules, because these strategies I bring out, they will never get your account blown up. Follow my rules. Okay, straight away, time's already counting. It's already 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes past already. Okay, as to this strategy, here is it. When you see that the red and blue lines, the red, blue, and white lines rather, when you're trading the bricks, the red, blue, white lines are upwards above the 75. Where you see sell boom, sell boom. When the three of them are above, okay, they are above the 75. Okay, you've got the confirmation already. Look at it here. The three of them, they are above 75 here, above the 75 line. Okay, you now go to the main chart and you look at these two lines between the two moving averages. You wait for them to cross, wait for them to crossed, then you make your first entry. Sorry, you make your entry. Oh, that's it. And when then you take profit, you don't just let it just slide and all. You take profit when it touches the 50. Okay, you see it's already crossed the 50, so you take profit here. Okay, that's how you take profit. But for 1,000 you might know it's like, but it's and preferable and advisable that you take profit at the 50 line because it's very secure. It might get to the 25, but like I said, it's more secure if you take profit at the what? The 50 line. Okay, when it gets to the 50, sorry, when it gets to the 50 you take profit. Okay, so let's find another entry. Let's find another entry for you guys. Okay, and if you were going to trade spikes, when you see that spike has occurred, the two lines are still at the bottom, there's a crossing on the main chart. Listen, sometimes it gets delayed, and for small accounts it might retrace to the extent that your account will be blown, but for big accounts it might only go in a little bit of a significant loss, then to go back up, or it might touch a stop loss where it goes back up. That's why I don't advise trading the spikes. Okay, for instance, now you can see that it later shot up. It shot what? It shot up. Spikes came, but could you have waited? Okay, see, here's an entry. Here's an entry. Okay, above the 75, three lines above the red, blue, and white. Okay, so what do we do? Wait for the crossing, the moving averages to cross. Good, we've had our crossing, then we enter the market. We enter the market right there. When do we take profit? There, that's where we take our profit. Okay, right about that candle. Oh shit, I did it again. Um, where was I? Where was I? I really hate this stuff, you know. Um, oh shit. Okay, here. So you entered there, then you took your profit when it touched the 50. Yeah, then you were out. Okay, then you were out. You could have waited, but I told you already. Take profit 2050. Two more examples. I will go to boom 1,000 or crash 1,000 rather. Two more examples. Let's just make it two. Okay, the three were above. Okay, but it's not that clear. Let me go to one that is very 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 clear. I told you, if you do have a large account, contact me and I'll give you personally a strategy that's gonna help you trade specs. Also, if not you're working and you want to make money through trading, you can come in for account manager or manage accounts. Okay, manage accounts. When you're back from work, you can now make the transactions like the split. If it's a 3 day profit split or a 5 day profit split, whatever our agreement is. Okay, so all these on the live trading, all these they are called, but I don't want to bend the strategy for you. Okay, in the live trading they actually happened. Okay, but because we're back testing, it seems like it didn't. What do we wait for? The cross, the three lines are above right there. So we enter the market here. Let's see now the authenticity of the strategy. We enter the market there. 50. You see, it must hit that 50. If it doesn't, please come to my DM. If you get your account blown up, come to my inbox. Because I said it with 50, don't go and start using high load sizes to trade. And you say that I said you should come to my inbox when you blow up your account. Okay, Use high, don't use hello. Okay, wait for it to cross. It's already above. You look at the main chart now. Wait for it to, okay, it has crossed. You enter here. It has crossed now. The three of them are above. You enter here. You see, take profit. Immediately it took profit. This back happened. You see, you see. So that's it for boom 500. Continuously, that's it continuously. Let's go to boom 1000. I'm just gonna give you just two examples here. Because I don't want this video to be long actually. Two examples here, then we'll go for crash. Okay, so what are the conditions to sell boom? The three of them must be at the what? At the top. Okay, they're at the top. They're at the top. What are we waiting for? A what? A crossing. There we have it. There we were. There we have it. Boom. We sell. When do we take profit? At the what? 50 level. I told you can lead. Okay, see, listen. You close 3/4, 3/4, or whatever loss you are using. It's simple math. 3/4 multiply by whatever loss you are using. Then whatever you get, that's the portion of the loss size you close. If you don't know how to close it, please come to my inbox and I'll tell you how to close it. Then you can let it run. When you do this, you can let it run. But for small account, just tip it straight. You can let it run for more profits. That way, if you are caught up with a spike, you can't go in loss, only shorter profits. But this way, your profits are already secured. You are just going for more. I hope you get me. So let's go for another example. Three of them must be at the top. Okay, they were at the top right there. And listen, sometimes the red may overshadow the blue, and the blue may overshadow the red. So when you see that they were coming together, and finally you are seeing only one, and the white, you know that they are together. So don't start being like, hey, here's the other line or something. So let's see, this is your cell right here, right here. Then let it go. You take profit right there. Where do you take profit right here? Why? Because it has touched what our 50 line to be secure. Or what did I say? Sorry, this line is not actually here. This is our 50 line. Yes. So what did I say? You can close 3/4 of it. So that way you are sure of your profits you've already made. So that's for that. Sorry, let me just clear all that. Sorry. Thank you. So that's for that. These are simple as that. I don't want to make this video long. I promise that this video would not be long. The three of them, they were actually above, so you took a sell. As you can see, it is complete. I can't tell you how many candles to take. Just follow the rules of the strategy. And with price action, you can trade spikes. Okay, with price action, trade spikes. When you see that it has crashed for a very long time, and you know it is what at support level. Let me see an example. It is what at the support level. When there's a spike, you wait and you buy. You buy. A spike will definitely happen. That's an example. Look at, I saw it. That's why I said that you buy. You see, you can see here for large accounts. So a lot of you think spike is quick money. A spike happened here. The both of them, even the blue is overshadowing the red. So you take a buy immediately. You see, you could have been in profit. That's still at the bottom. Spikes will happen. What did I say? Spike happen. This trader finally broke the 25. You can take profit now. You can take profit. Whatever happens after that is not your business. Don't let this greed ruin you. Because if you want to do more will come, and it finally come. The time that it doesn't come, you'll be short of profit where you could have just taken profit after 2 or 3 spikes. Okay, so when it breaks that, you take profit. That's for large accounts. The same thing applies to this place. A spike happened and both of them are still below. What are we waiting for? An entry. You can enter now. Spike. They broke it, so you can't enter again. Whatever happens after that, not your business. So, okay, three of them are above. What are waiting for? The crossing at the main chart. Crossing has finally what happened. We enter. This is the last example. We enter. When do we take profit? Now. Why? because it has what touched. Okay, it's even okay. Yeah, it touched 50 line there. So that's for that. So that's where we take profit, and that's so I'm gonna give examples on. I'm gonna give examples on what do you call it? Crash. Let me give examples of crash. Listen to me. You can't be with me. You can't say you are a subscriber. You are a subscriber under me. Sorry, a subscriber under me, and still be a deposit or trader. It doesn't work like that. I can't let you. I won't let you waste your money. I won't. For the likes, and please do subscribe and like, drop a comment, let me know how you feel with the strategy. And please do test this on a demo account where you take live, get familiar with it, take close to 7, take 10 trades with it, please. 10 trades. Once you obey the rule, 10 trades. When you get, I think with 10 trades you're gonna get all blues, no reds. I assure you, if you get red, you know you're not following it. And if there's red on it, then come to my DM. I will tell you what you did wrong. Okay. Okay, zoom level. Let me tell you zoom level so you don't stop. So you stop asking me zoom level, zoom level. This is the first zoom level. Pinch out your screen. Pinch it out, pinch it out. Sorry, pinch in rather to the last. This is the first one, second, third, fourth. Okay, like I was saying before, I was briefly interrupted. You can't be with me and still be a deposit trader. I don't think that's possible. Okay, I need you. I need testimonies from more of you. Okay, I need testimonies. Follow the guidelines. Follow what I say. If you do exactly what I say, you take out 10 trades. You see that 10 of them will give you profits. Not even one loss. If you experience loss when you're trying to turn a demo account, please inbox me. I will tell you what you did wrong. Okay, I'll drop a Nigerian WhatsApp number for you to text, and I will drop a Telegram link for you to contact me. Okay, for mentorship you contact me. For 24-hour live signal, you know that you can't actually be on your chat 247 waiting for them to form. You come to me, I'll give you signals. Then when if you know that you have the amount, you have a larger amount of money to trade but you don't have the expertise to trade it, please inbox me. Let's make cash. Okay, I was never rich. Okay, I was never rich from start. I made my money. Okay, I make my money. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. I think my first account was a $30 account. I raised it to 120 and I blew everything up. Then I had to start again little by little. My first $2,000 was very exciting. Okay, back to trading, master trader. I see video too very long. Okay, so where do we buy crash? When the three lines are below, the three lines are already below. So what do you wait for? You wait for um the three lines is already below. So wait for a crossover from these two moving averages. There we have it. So if we took a buy here, we would take profit there. And see, whenever you're caught up in a spike, if you are ever caught up in a spike, please add another entry for $85 upwards using any lot size below 0.5. Add another entry. Trust me, nothing's gonna happen. You are going to profit marginally. Add another entry. So that's for that. I'm just gonna. I'm sort of in a hurry here. I have a lot of things to do. Like most of you always say, yeah, I'm a busy man. Okay, so listen, there was a crossover here. Why are we not trading this? The three lines are what they are scattered. One is above the 75, one is below 75 but above the 50, and the last one is below the 25. So we can't trade that. That's rubbish. If you trade that, you trade that at your own word terror. You wait for them to all consolidate under. Okay, they are what at the bottom. They are both that Three of them at the bottom. Then there's a crossover. What do? We take a buy. Where do we take profit? Listen, what did I say? When you see something like this, you can add one. Then when it finally comes, that's if you have enough equity for a $20 account. Please don't do that. I don't advise that. You see, those are profits. Okay, so delete. So let's look for another entry. I think two more and I'll be done with crash. Okay, one more. This actually happened on a live trade, but I'm just okay. This is a good example. It already happened. Look at it. Two of them are below. Let me look for another example just for you guys to be okay. It's not magic. It's not magic. Okay, it's not magic. When you trade with it, you see the excitement level. Okay, three of them are below. You see, the crossover happened before they were below. If the margin is too wide, don't enter. Do not what enter. Though you be in profit, but it might drag into loss at first, so don't enter. You wait again. It will definitely happen. You see, listen now. They consolidated under before the crossover, so we wait for the crossover, then we enter. Sometimes it may be late, so UTP here. This is enough for you. If you do this 10 times a day, you know what you've got rather than entering to losses, depending on the loss size you use. Okay, so that's all that. Let me go for Crash 1000. It's the same thing. Crash 1000 only sometimes you just do you close 3/4 of your lot size. Okay, it's already proven that when you do that, you can't actually go into trade losses, even though it rejects, even though the market may reject for the last few pips. Okay, so let me just find two examples. Two. Okay, there's one here. Three of them are below. There's a cross in here. What do? We buy. Definitely gonna go up. I can bet my life for that. That's how it is. Okay, that's how it is. That's how it is. Find the consolidation. There's one here, but it's not that clear. I need something clear to prove to you guys that it's not magic. It's how it works. It's how it works. Okay, we know these things. Okay, so sorry. Sorry, in a hurry. Okay, three of them are consolidated. It's small spike happen. Immediately you enter, profit it all the way. So that's for that. Let me give you the setup. Um, listen, this might be confusing for you, for some of you. On the main chart, you're going to add. Um, when you first of all, forget the main chart. When you click this F, the F plus here, you add a stochastic indicator first. Then after that, you add this, you add this, you add this. Then you can now edit. For some of you that are still new to this, you add this. Let me show you what you do. Let me just show you what you do. When you add this, you make this 111. Then this, you color it whatever your background is. Okay, whatever your background is, how you're going to change color to. And the levels are 25, 50, and 75. You can add sell boom for 25, buy crash for 25, sell boom for 75, buy crash for 25. 50 is TP for both of them. Then if you have a large account, you can add TP2 to 75, TP2 to 25. Then you know what's TP2 for. What's TP2 for? Okay, that's for that. Then the first Shimoku you should add is 9952. You're making of just the Tenkan-san and the Kenju-sen. Okay, you make both of them white. I'm gonna rush over this. You can screenshot this and have your time to actually paste them on your MetaTrader 5. Then the second one is 2052. Both of them red. Tenkan-sen and Kenju-sen. The last one is the last one is 3652. Both of them blue. Okay, that's all. Then you add Ichimoku moving average 12, shift to 0, method linear width, method what linear width, apply to close, style 2. This one should be white. The 12 linear width white. Then the next one should be 20 period 20, method linear width gold. Done. That's all. So please drop your likes and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get me when I drop major strategies. And also please do like the video so other people can see it when they search for videos to help them. Okay, thank you, and please have a wonderful trading experience. I'll drop my contact in the bio. You can always reach me.